go to show you that New York does not care. It is freezing out here. 30 degrees. 30 degrees, baby. It's your boy Bugatti NYC. This Bugatti view. I want y'all to see something that you probably won't believe. This dude is out here selling ice cream in 30-degree temperature right now. Wondering why he has no customers. No customers. No one is interested. Selling ice cream? Now, if that's not ignorance, y'all tell me. I know you probably need to make money. Business is probably tight. And you probably got to make the parking for your truck. But man, ice cream truck, look at this. Look at this. Blowing smoke out of my mouth right now.